What if I told you there's an invisible force inside you, shaping your reality, your emotions, and even your future? A force that most people never learn to control. This energy has been called many names: chi, prana, ether, vital force. But no matter what you call it, one thing is certain. It's real, it's powerful, and it's yours to command. In this video, you're going to learn how to tap into this hidden energy using ancient practices from Hermeticism, Qigong, and the occult. By the end, you'll feel this energy moving through you, maybe for the first time. So let's begin. What is vital energy? Every ancient tradition speaks of this force. Franz Bardon called it the essential element connecting the body, mind, and spirit. Eliphas Levi described it as a magnetic fluid shaped by the will. Even Aleister Crowley said, "Magic is the art of transforming reality through disciplined will, and will is energy in its purest form." But this isn't just theory. You already experience this energy every day. You just don't realize it. When you're full of life and enthusiasm, that's energy. When you feel drained or stuck, your energy is blocked. Your emotions, they're raw energy, shaping the world around you. Everything you think, feel, and do is either strengthening or weakening your energy. But here's the secret. You are not at the mercy of this energy. You can control it. And how does energy flows through you? Ancient Chinese practices like Qigong teach that energy flows through meridians, channels in the body that regulate vitality. Imagine these meridians as rivers of energy. When they flow freely, you feel clear, powerful, and aligned. But when they're blocked, you experience fatigue, anxiety, and even illness. In Taoist tradition, qi is the breath of life. It sustains your body, emotions, and mind. It circulates through 12 primary meridians, linked to organs like the heart and liver. It moves through 8 extraordinary meridians, acting as deep reservoirs of energy. And most importantly, it responds to your thoughts, emotions, and intentions. This means you can direct your energy, just like shaping water through a stream. And that's exactly what we're about to do. Energy control exercises. These are not just techniques. They're ancient tools used by mystics and masters for centuries. Do these, and you will feel your energy shift. Step 1. Body awareness. Find a quiet space to perform the exercise. Sit or lie down. Close your eyes. Remember to keep taking deep breaths. Now bring your focus to your feet. Slowly move your awareness upwards from your legs to your stomach, flowing through your chest. Feel it passing through your arms, onto your neck, and finally reaching your head. As you do this, imagine your energy waking up in each part of your body. Feel the warmth, the tingling. Your body is alive with energy. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes daily to build a strong connection with your energy field. Step 2. Breath control to increase energy. Sit comfortably. Place one hand on your abdomen, one on your chest. Inhale deeply through your nose. Let your belly expand, keeping your chest still. Exhale slowly through your mouth, letting your belly contract. Repeat 10 times. This awakens your lower dantian, your energy storage center below the navel. The more you breathe consciously, the stronger your energy becomes. Step 3. Exercise for energy manipulation. Now let's make this energy tangible. Sit with your back straight. Hold your hands in front of your chest, palms facing each other. Take 3 deep breaths. On the next inhale, fill your lungs completely and hold for 4 seconds. Exhale slowly and imagine energy flowing into your hands. Continue breathing, feeling the warmth, the tingling, the pulse. Your energy is real. You are feeling it right now. Emotions are your greatest tool. Energy follows intention, and intention is shaped by emotion. What you feel, you create. What you focus on, you amplify. If you constantly feel fear, doubt, or anger, your energy becomes chaotic and weak. If you cultivate clarity, confidence, and purpose, your energy becomes a force of nature. The greatest secret of energy work: emotion is the paint, your mind is the brush, the universe is your canvas. Now you have a choice. You can watch this video and move on, or you can apply these techniques and experience the shift for yourself. Here's what I challenge you to do. Practice these exercises for the next 3 days. Comment below what you felt: tingling, warmth, vibrations. I want to hear your experience. If this video helped you, share it with someone who needs to wake up their energy. Remember, real power is not just knowing energy exists, it's knowing how to control it. Your energy is yours to command. Now go and awaken it. Subscribe for more hidden knowledge.